Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the Dlink Gigabit 8-port limited lifetime warranty Ethernet switch. So there it is in the box. We took it out of the box here. This is an unboxing. Quick overview. Here's your 8 ports. There you go. You have your locking square on the back, and then your 5-volt 1-amp port right here. But this is the business end right here. You have the 8 ports of gigabit speed right there, and some quick information about this 8-port switch. And you can pause the video at any time and take a look at what it has to offer. And this is from Dlink. It feels like it has some very solid metal construction. Here we go. And then it comes with the power adapter right here, and the mounting screws and other hardware that you would need. This is from Dlink, and it is the 8-port gigabit Ethernet switch. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.